Can you start the lecture? Yes. Good afternoon to all of you. In previous lecture, what we have discussed? In previous lecture, what we have discussed? Anyone, please? Anyone? Anyone, please? What we have discussed in previous lecture? Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
So what we have discussed in previous? Onboard charger, off-board charger. Okay. Charging stations, level 1 charger, level 2 charger, level 1 charging station, level 2 charging station, level 3 charging station, or level 3 charger. We have discussed all these things no, yesterday. Is
Yes,
it right?
sir.
Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we are going to see the types of electric vehicles. Today we are going to see the types of electric vehicles, or we can say classification of electric vehicles. Clear? So different types of electric vehicles were developed, continuously giving users and potential user choices. Clear? So means day to day, time to time, the electric vehicle technology has developed. Okay, due to this technology, the electrical vehicles also classified into different types. Okay, today world is increasingly familiar with the terms BEV, HEV, PHEV, and FCEV. BEV means all are very familiar with the BEV, HEV, PHEV, and FCEV. What is meant by BEV?
Battery electric vehicle.
Yes, exactly. Battery electric vehicle. What is meant by HEV?
Hybrid electric.
Hybrid electric vehicle. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. And FCEV is nothing but fuel cell electric vehicle. Clear? So here, the electric vehicle is fully or partially propelled by the electrical motor. Okay. The electric vehicle is fully or partially propelled by the electrical motors. Fully or partially propelled by the electrical motor is nothing but means what? Means totally the electric vehicle is run by the electric vehicle is totally run by the electrical motor, that is called as fully propelled by electric vehicle. Sorry, fully propelled by electric motor. Okay, if sometimes, okay, for sometimes the electrical motor runs the vehicle. Okay, sometimes the other engine is running the vehicle. Okay, or same time both engines can be run the vehicle. Same time both engines can be run the vehicle. So that's time that is can be called as a partially. Okay, so partially propelled by the electrical motors. Okay, using the energy stored in the rechargeable batteries. So already we know whenever we are using the electrical motors means we require the electrical supply. So this supply electrical energy is stored in the rechargeable batteries. Rechargeable batteries. Next. Okay, how does an electric car work in general? How does an electric car work? कैसे वर्क करता है इलेक्ट्रिक कार? आईसी इंजन कार कैसे वर्क करता है? हाउ द आईसी इंजन वर्क, sorry, how the IC engine car can work in general? In general means whenever we are pressing the accelerator, is it right? Whenever we are pressing or we are pulling the accelerator, so based on this pressing the accelerator, the speed of the vehicle is to be increase or decrease, okay, is to be vary. So like the same here also, when the pedal of the electrical car, okay, when the pedal of the electric car is pressed, then controller, we are using the controller here, okay, so already we knows controller takes and regulates the electrical energy. Controller will play will plays the role, and it regulates the electrical energy. It controls the electrical energy from the batteries, okay, it regulates the electrical energy from the batteries to the converter and to the motors, okay. Then with controller set, the inverter or converter or chopper, whatever, then sends a certain amount of electrical energy, then sends certain amount of electrical energy to the electrical motor, okay, according to the depth of pressure on the pedal. So how much pressure you applied, how much force is applied on the pedal, accelerator pedal, okay, based on that way the controller will give the supply to the electrical motor. Clear? Okay, how much force you have applied on the accelerator in the vehicle, so based on that force the controller will take the electrical energy from the battery. The controller will take the electrical energy from the battery, and then it will send to the motor through the converter. Then it will send to the motor through the converter. Is it clear? So how much power is getting the motor? Clear? The motor, how much power is getting? How much power is getting? Based on this power energy is coming from the battery, so the electrical motor is operates. So see here, this is the controller, this is the converter, this is the converter, this is the battery, okay, battery, converter से कहाँ जाएगा सप्लाई? motor. Clear? So means this is the controller. So here we are using the pedal, okay, accelerator pedal. With the driver or when the driving person is pressed on this pedal, okay, so how much force is applied, okay, how much force is applied, how much pressure is applied in the pedal, based on that way the controller will take an action. Based on this pressure the controller will take an action, so accordingly it will give the send the signal to the converter, okay, accordingly it will send a signal to the converter, so accordingly the power will be generated from the converter, accordingly the power is generated from the converter, okay. So this controlled power is given to the motor, this controlled power is given to the motor. So if this power is controlled, which is applying the motor, which is going to give the motor, okay, if this power is controlled, the speed of the motor is also controlled, the speed of the motor is also controlled. If the speed of the motor is controlled, then automatically the vehicle speed is also controlled, then automatically the vehicle speed is also controlled. Is it right? Are you got the point?
Yes.
Hello? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. जैसे अपन टू व्हीलर ड्राइविंग करते हैं, जैसे अपन एक्सेलरेटर खींचते हैं, तो जितना एक्सेलरेटर खींचे उतना स्पीड बढ़ेगा, जितना एक्सेलरेटर कम करते जाएंगे उतना स्पीड भी कम होता जाएगा. इज इट राइट? सो सेम ऑपरेशन हियर आल्सो. Same operation, same here also in electric vehicle also. Okay. Next, generally, for how many types of generally in how many types we can classify the electric vehicle? In how many types we can classify the electric vehicle? Screen is visible, all of you, so you can tell. You can tell what is the first one.
Battery electric vehicle.
Okay, battery operated electric vehicle. Next, second one. What is the second one? It is on the screen. Please read it.
Plug-in hybrid electrical vehicle.
Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Third one,
Hybrid electric vehicle.
hybrid electric vehicle. Only 1% is giving the answer. Only one
Fuel cell
student.
electric vehicle.
Fuel cell electric vehicle. Very good. Okay. So generally, we are classifying the electric vehicle in 4 types: battery operated electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, and third one is the hybrid electric vehicle, and fourth one is the fuel cell electric vehicle. Clear? अपना फर्स्ट यूनिट में डायरेक्टली हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल दी है फर्स्ट यूनिट में. क्लियर? फर्स्ट यूनिट में क्या दिया है? ही हैज गिवन द डायरेक्टली हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स. अगर मैंने डायरेक्टली हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल स्टार्ट किया तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा ना. वी हैव टू गिव द ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल. व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल? क्लियर? What are the components of electric vehicle? How it is operating? Clear? Why we are going for the electric vehicle? What are the advantages of the electric vehicle over the IC engines, IC vehicles? Clear? So that's why. So before going to discuss the hybrid electric vehicle, that's why I have given the 2 or 3 lectures introduction of the electric vehicles. What is electric vehicle definition? What are the components of electric vehicle? What is the function of each component of in electric vehicle? Clear? So how the energy conversion is going in AC to DC, DC to DC, DC to AC, and AC to AC, and so on, etc. Okay, what are the advantages and disadvantages? And then we came to the and then we discussed the charging stations. Level 1 charging means what? Level 2 charging means, level 3 charging means what? Okay, how many charging in how many ways we can charge the electric vehicle? Using solar, using wind. Okay, using by developing charging station infrastructure look like a petrol pump. Okay, and then we came to the types of electric vehicles. Okay, so, battery operated electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, fuel cell electric vehicle. First unit अपना है hybrid electric vehicle. First unit अपना है hybrid electric vehicle. Okay? So see, just we will see the 1 or 2 points for each type of vehicle, and then we will enter into the battery hybrid electric vehicle. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि डायरेक्टली मैंने स्टार्ट किया तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है ना, इसलिए अपन ब्रीफली इंट्रोडक्शन दिए अभी तक. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, so here the it is showing the figure. So from this figure we can easily understand what is what is battery operated electric vehicle, what is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, what is hybrid electric vehicle, fuel cell electric vehicle. Differences easily समझ में आता है. Clear? So battery operated vehicle, which vehicle we can call as a battery operated electric vehicle? Which vehicle we can call as a battery operated electric vehicle?
Battery
So,
electric.
the vehicle which is operating only with the help of battery, only with the battery. Clear? The vehicle which is operating, or the vehicle which is running only with the battery, that is called as battery operated electric vehicle. That is called as battery operated electric vehicle. Okay, so next, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. Plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. So can you say the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle? It is same as the battery operated electric vehicles. Only difference is यहाँ पे क्या है?
Fuel is available.
Yes, electrical motor है, clear? IC engine है. Both are present ना?
Yes,
This
sir.
vehicle is running with the both machines, that is with electrical motor as well as with IC engine. Clear? The vehicle which is running with the both machines, that is electrical motor and IC engine, that vehicle can be called as plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. But small difference is there. Please remember. Okay, so we need to start the electrical motor, or we need to operate the electrical motor. So we need a battery, we need electrical energy. Okay, we need electrical energy to operate the electrical motor. So this electrical energy we are taking from the battery. This electrical energy we are taking from the battery. Okay, so whenever we would like to operate the IC engine, so this IC engine needs fuel. IC engine की इनपुट क्या चाहिए? IC engine की इनपुट क्या चाहिए? Fuel, that is petrol or diesel. Clear? Petrol or diesel. So to store the petrol or diesel, we are going to provide the one petrol tank or diesel tank. We are going to provide the one storage tank, fuel storage tank. But this tank is filled by the petrol pump. Using this petrol or diesel can be filled by the can be filled in the petrol pumps. Everybody knows this is the general things. Okay, the battery can be charged with the help of charging station through the one charging port. Clear? So this is called as a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So come to the hybrid electric vehicle. So hybrid electric vehicle is also same way. In the hybrid electric vehicle also, IC engine is present. In hybrid electric vehicle also, IC engine is present, and as well as electrical motor is present. But क्या difference है इन दोनों का? Difference क्या है फिर? इसमें भी दो है, इसमें भी दो है ना? इसमें भी IC इंजन है, इसमें भी है. ओके, से इसमें भी इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर में, इसमें भी इलेक्ट्रिकल मोटर, इसमें भी बैटरी है, इसमें भी बैटरी है, इसमें भी पेट्रोल टैंक है, इसमें भी पेट्रोल टैंक है. फिर क्या डिफरेंस है? कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई दिस डिफरेंस? यस, not getting your voice, please. I'm not getting your voice. Please say anyone in voice, from voice. From voice.
Battery charging through a IC engine.
Yes, that is one of the main important differences. The battery charging through the IC engine. Clear? So here we are not providing any external port, charging port for charging the battery. That is the small difference, and that is one of the main difference between the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and hybrid electric vehicle. So please remember this point. It's a very, very, very important point. It's a very, very important point. So now, can you give the definition? Sorry. So what is the exact definition of the hybrid electric vehicle? So whenever we are going to define the hybrid electric vehicle, so most of the people will say the combination of the solar panel and battery is called as a hybrid electric vehicle. They will say like that answer. Is it right? Is this sentence is right? Some people will say the combination of the solar cell and electrical battery is called as a hybrid vehicle. Is it right sentence?
No.
No. Clear? So most of the students or most of the peoples or most of the persons are getting the confusion कि सर सोलर से पावर जनरेट होगा और बैटरी से भी, तो उसको हाइब्रिड बोलते हैं, लेकिन दैट इज नॉट हाइब्रिड, बिकॉज वी आर गेटिंग द आउटपुट क्या है, सोलर सेल का है। सोलर सेल से आउटपुट क्या मिलता है, अपने इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी है ना।
हाँ सर।
तो बैटरी से भी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी है ना। सो हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल कैसे बनेगा, मीन्स the vehicle which is operating with the two different energy sources, that vehicle can be called as hybrid electric vehicle. Please remember, okay, the vehicle which is operating through the with the vehicle which is operating with the help of two different energy sources. एनर्जी सोर्सेज डिफरेंट होना चाहिए, उसको बोलते हैं अपन हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, उसको बोलते हैं अपन हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल। सो सोलर सेल यूज किया और बैटरी भी यूज किया था, सो हाइब्रिड व्हीकल बनेगा नहीं, वो नहीं बन सकता है, क्योंकि सोलर से भी इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी मिलेगा अपन को, बैटरी से भी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी मिलेगा, लेकिन एनर्जी सोर्स तो एक ही है ना। एनर्जी सोर्स तो एक ही है। दिस एनर्जी सोर्स वी कैन गेट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर, from anything, maybe a solar, maybe a wind, maybe a thermal, maybe whatever, but energy source एक ही है. That's why that vehicle cannot be called as a hybrid electric vehicle. So exact definition of the hybrid electric vehicle is the vehicle which is operating with the two different energy sources. That vehicle can be called as a hybrid electric vehicle. Okay, so main difference between the hybrid electric vehicle and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is, okay, we are not providing any external charging port. Okay, we are not providing an external charging port in the hybrid electric vehicle. This battery charged through the IC engine. This batteries through the IC engine. Okay, but in the case of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, we are providing the battery, so charger. Okay, we are providing the charging port. Okay, we can charge the battery using the external supply. Okay, also this battery can be charged through the IC engine also, but here the battery is charging only with the help of IC engine by using the regenerative braking concept, Okay, is this concept is clear, all of you?
Yes sir.
कुछ
Hello,
problem तो
sir.
नहीं ना?
So which one is better? Which one is better, sir?
I will say later. Right?
PHE.
Okay, I will give the later. Which one is the most, which vehicle we are going to most prefer? Clear? I will give later. Well, when we are giving the comparison, that I will give the details. Clear? Because we have not entered into the syllabus. Still, we are in introduction class.
Hello, sir.
Next.
Hello, sir.
Yes, any doubt, anyone?
Sir, why use the मग बॅटरी ह्याच्यावर चार्ज करून जनरेटरवर त्या फ्युएलवर चार्ज करून वापरण्यात यूज काय आहे? कारण की तिथे पण पोल्युशन जनरेट होते ना बॅटरी चार्ज करण्यासाठी.
Yes, pollution generate होता है ना. हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल से पोल्यूशन जनरेट होता है. कंपेयर विद द बैटरी ऑपरेटेड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, द पोल्यूशन is generated by the hybrid electric vehicle because we are using the IC engine here. Pollution somewhat is generated. We are
Why
not
use,
saying
sir,
100% 100% reduce तो नहीं है, इसमें pollution तो होता है, लेकिन but we can save the fuel ना.
Why the use of hybrid vehicle, not use of the battery electrical vehicles?
Yes, that is a important question. Okay, so the operating modes of hybrid electric vehicle I am going to discuss in next lecture. Why we need a hybrid electric vehicle? Because we have a more advantages in the hybrid electric vehicle. So when I am giving the operating modes of the hybrid electric vehicle, I will tell you क्यों use करते हैं अपन. Clear?
Sir, give me
Please.
one example of one company which is manufacture the hybrid electrical vehicle.
Okay, that is also I will give. Toyota, ये Honda, Prius. That is also I am giving. Please see that. Are you seeing the figures? Toyota
Yes.
Prius, first generation of hybrid electric vehicle. Honda Insight. These are the two first cars of develop the hybrid electric vehicle. Toyota company or Honda company. So now almost all maximum companies are going to develop the hybrid electric vehicles, because we have a more advantages using the hybrid electric vehicles. So I will tell you later. Your doubt is clear? Which company is going to
Sir.
develop the hybrid electric vehicle? Toyota company and Honda company. I have given only two companies, two names here.
Sir, Tesla is the hybrid vehicle or the battery electrical vehicle? Tesla.
Can you speak in Hindi, please, if you don't mind?
Sir, Tesla, which is hybrid vehicle or battery electrical vehicle?
Tesla is also having the number of models. Tesla S model is a different model. जैसे अपना बजाज कंपनी है, पल्सर है, और कितने different कंपनी मॉडल्स है ना, पल्सर 135, पल्सर 150, जैसे चेवरलेट है, चेवरलेट का भी different है. जैसे टेस्ला में भी different कार्स है, मॉडल्स है. टेस्ला इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल, टेस्ला हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल. All are going to design the manufacture. All are going to manufacture the both vehicles, electric vehicle as well as hybrid electric vehicles. Tesla company is also going to design the hybrid electric vehicle as well as battery hybrid electric vehicle. Honda company is also going to design the Honda companies also design the electric vehicle as well as hybrid electric vehicle. All the manufacturer, all the companies are trying to design the electric as well as hybrid both. Next, any doubt? Your doubt is clear, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, fuel cell electric vehicle. Fuel cell electric vehicles. So can you tell what is fuel cell electric vehicle? क्या डिफरेंस क्या है इधर हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का फ्यूल सेल इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का? हेलो, फ्रॉम गर्ल्स एनीवन डिफरेंस बता सकते हैं क्या बाय सीइंग दिस फिगर फ्रॉम गर्ल्स? Anyone please? I am audible, all of you? Hello. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
So give the reply, na? Can you tell any difference? What changes are going? What changes are there between the hybrid electric vehicle and fuel cell electric vehicle?
IC engine is absent in fuel cell electrical vehicles,
Yes.
and it replaced by fuel cell and hydrogen tank.
Yes. Okay. So means here, where this vehicle is running with the electrical motor. Okay, that is same as the battery operated electric vehicle. Clear? So to start or to operate this electrical motor, we need electrical energy. This energy we are getting through the battery. This energy we are getting through the battery. Clear? So, but how we are giving the how we are recharging the battery here? That is the main question, na? So here the battery charging through some external port. Is it clear? Is it right? So here the battery charging some external port and by using the IC engine also. So here also by using the IC engine, we can charge the battery. But here there is no IC engine. Here there is no IC engine. How we can charge the battery? Because here we are going to produce the electricity using the fuel cell. Okay, we are going to produce the electricity using the fuel cell. Okay, so using some chemical reaction is going on by using the hydrogen fuel. By using the hydrogen and oxygen, we are going to produce the electricity, and this electricity is given for the battery for charging. Is it right? So here we are not using any external charging port. We are not using any diesel or petrol tank, or we are not using any IC engine. Here we are using the electrical motor and battery, but to charge the battery or to run the motor, so we are using the fuel cell. Fuel cells meaning क्या होता है? It will generate the electricity. It will generate the electricity. How it will generate the electricity? By using the chemical reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. By using the chemical reaction of hydrogen and oxygen. Is it right? Are you got the concept? What is fuel cell? Are you got the concept, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the simple types of the electric vehicles. Again, hybrid electric vehicle have been classified into again or 2 or 3 types. Okay, so we will see later that one. So now these 4 differences you got it, I think. Difference between the battery operated electric vehicle, PHEV, HEV, and FCEV. So you knows the difference between that is very good. Difference समझ में आया ना सभी को?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think everybody knows the operation of the battery electric vehicle. Clear? So how the battery operated electric vehicle operates? How the battery operated electric vehicle is operates? With this type of cars do not have any IC engines. Electricity is stored in the large battery pack. Okay. And electricity is stored in the battery pack. Battery pack is nothing but the combination of the the combination of the more than 2 batteries are connected in series or parallel. That can be called as a battery pack. Is it right? For example, battery pack means what I will explain. I will tell you 1 or 2 sentences. For example, we have a 6 volts battery. We have a 6 volts battery. This is the positive terminal. This is the this is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. Okay, and one more battery we have. One more battery we have. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. Clear? This is the 6 volt battery. This is also 6 volt battery. And one more battery we are having. This is the negative terminal. This is the positive terminal. This is also same rating, 6 volt battery. Clear? 6 volt battery. For example, 2000. Just wait. 2000 milliamperes hour. So 6 volts, 2000 mAh. So this is also rated value of this battery is also 6 volts, 2000 milliamperes hour. Clear? So the negative terminal, if you want to take the one more battery, so you can take, no issue. Clear? Negative, positive. So the positive terminal goes to the negative of the other battery. The positive terminal of the second battery is connected to the negative terminal of the third battery. The positive terminal of the third battery is connected to the negative terminal of the fourth battery. So finally we are getting the fourth battery positive terminal and first battery negative terminal. So this is the output. This is the output na. Here we can give these 2 terminals to the load. Clear? So यहाँ पे लोड कितना हो जाएगा? So आउटपुट क्या मिलेगा इसका? सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है ना, ये सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है कि पैरेलल में कनेक्टेड है? सीरीज पॉजिटिव का है नेगेटिव का, इसका पॉजिटिव है इसका नेगेटिव, इसका पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव नेगेटिव इसका नेगेटिव का, तो ये सीरीज कनेक्शन हो गया। तो सीरीज में तो क्या हो जाएगा, वोल्टेज विल बी एडेड। वोल्टेज कितना वोल्टेज हो गया, कितना वोल्टेज हो गया, 6 + 6 12, 12 + 6 18, 18 + 6 18 + 6 कितना हो गया,
24.
24 volts and 2000 milliamperes. Current rating is same because it is a series connection, 2000 milliamperes hour. So here this is the one battery, second battery, third battery, fourth battery. All these batteries are connected in certain connection, they series or parallel. So this total combination can be called as a battery pack. This total combination can be called as a battery pack. Is it right? So battery pack use karna vehicle में, because if you want to 100 volts, if you want to 200 volts, 200 volts चाहिए, तो 200 volts से एक बैटरी से नहीं मिल सकते ना, so we have to add the some batteries. Clear? Like a 24 volts को 3 or 4 लेने का, series में connect करने का, we can make the 100 volts, we can make the 200 volts. Clear? So means we can get the required voltage by connecting the more than 2 batteries in series. Okay, so that is called as a battery pack. That is called as the battery pack. So here what we can say, here the battery operated electric vehicle doesn't require any IC engine, we know already. Clear? So it requires the large battery pack. So to obtain the high voltage, we require the large battery pack that is charged by the plugging into the electricity, that is charged by the plugging into the electricity. Clear? So by using battery, we can give the supply to the electrical motor, okay, through the converter. When the motor is rotates, the vehicle is also rotates. When the motor is rotates, the vehicle is also moves in a particular direction, depends upon our mechanical designing considerations. Clear? Is it okay, all of you?
Hello.
Yes, please.
Battery required charging in a home, single phase supply is available. Then how to charge this electrical vehicle?
Yes, batteries required single phase supply, na?
पण
Yes.
electrical level 1 required 110 volt supply, and
Yes.
in our home 230 volt is 230 volt is present. Then how we connect this charger to electrical vehicle?
Okay, we are using the converter ना, step down converter. जैसे अपन मोबाइल को चार्जर, अपना घर पे कितना मोबाइल 230 वोल्ट रहता है, मोबाइल को कितना वोल्टेज चाहिए उतना वो कन्वर्ट होता है ना चार्जर से। तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्वर्टर रहता है ना उसके चार्जर के अंदर, अडाप्टर, हाँ, like that same way we can design that charger and we can reduce the voltage from 230 to 110 volts. So then this 110 volts we can give to the battery. Is it right? Your question is clear?
Yes sir.
Clear हो गया क्या?
Yes sir.
बेस्ट एग्जांपल आपका मोबाइल है ना, मोबाइल का 230 वोल्ट्स लगता है क्या?
हेलो सर,
यस,
बैटरी का कनेक्शन पैरेलल में कर सकते हैं क्या आप?
बैटरी कनेक्शन पैरेलल में कर सकते हैं ना, पैरेलल कनेक्ट किया तो क्या हो जाएगा, वोल्टेज सेम रहेगा और करंट ऐड हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, which is more reliable sir? Which is more reliable, parallel
It
connection?
depends upon our requirement. So we want to, if we want to increase the voltage level, so definitely we have to connect all the batteries in series. So you can see in the laboratory also, in computer lab, when you are coming to the college, so you can see the batteries in the computer lab. Okay, so we are using the number of batteries. All these batteries are connected in series because we need to obtain the 230 volts, na? So एक battery के 230 volts नहीं रहता है. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So we are going to connect all the batteries in series. Then only we can add the voltage levels.
Okay sir.
Okay, that is depends upon our requirement. But whenever we want to require the high voltage, definitely we need to connect the in series. Next, working principle of the battery operated electric vehicle. Already we have discussed, I think. Clear? The hybrid electric vehicle, same way. हाइब्रिड इलेक्ट्रिक वेहिकल में क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स रहता है? AC engine. What are the components are present in the AC engine? Sorry, hybrid electric vehicle. AC engine, electrical motor, battery pack, fuel tank, control circuit. Is it right? So, but here already we have discussed in the previous diagram, 4 diagrams slide. So we can charge the battery using the IC engine. Okay, here we are going to use the motor generator set. Clear? So whenever we are going to use the motor generator set, then what will happening? When the motor is rotates, the generator also rotates. When the generator rotates, the electricity is produced. Okay, the electricity is whenever we are getting the electricity from the generator, okay, that electricity we can give the battery through the some controller. Clear? So we can charge the battery. So at the same time, we can take the supply also from the battery. Okay, whenever we require the high torque. So for example, vehicle is moving in this direction. This is the road. Clear? This is the vehicle. Okay, this is the vehicle. So whenever vehicle is moving in this direction, upward direction, it requires the high torque, I think. Is it right? It requires the high energy, na? High torque.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if that time, so only if the motor is not able to generate that much of torque, so then that time, so both engine as well, IC engine as well as motor can able to, so both these machines combined together, and these two machines will produce the sufficient torque to move this vehicle in the upward direction. जितना torque चाहिए, अगर वो एक machine से capable नहीं है, motor से capable नहीं है, then that time we can take the help from the IC engine. We can operate the IC engine. Okay, we can get the how much force is required, how much torque is required. So both machine we can operate it parallel. Clear? So by operating in parallel, so we can get the more torque. If we are getting the more torque, the vehicle easily can be moved to the upward direction. So that is depending upon the conditions. I will tell you modes of operation of the hybrid electric vehicle in 1 or 2 lectures. Clear? So whenever we are not requiring any energy from the engine, so that time we can charge the battery. Okay, whenever we doesn't require any energy from the IC engine, so from that at that time we can take the we can charge the battery using the IC engine through the regenerative braking concept. Okay, but this is but designing of this regenerative braking is very difficult. Please all of you keep in your mind. Regenerative braking design करना it's very complex है. Clear? But still the research is going on this one. Okay, still the research is going on this one. 100% does not success designing the hybrid electric vehicle. So next one. Just wait. Working principle of the hybrid electric vehicle we have seen. Okay, plug-in hybrid electric vehicles also we have seen. So we can charge the battery through some external port, or also we can charge the battery through by using the IC engine also. Clear? This is one of the main advantages than the hybrid electric vehicle. So that's why most of the companies, एक स्टूडेंट ने पूछा भी डाउट, सर कौन सा बेटर है, PHEV और hybrid electric vehicle. So still the mostly the research is going on the PHEV, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Clear? Plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Mostly, most of the manufacturer, most of the companies are going to design the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, because this can be run. The battery can be charged with external port as well as IC engine. Clear? So अपन को जैसे चाहिए वैसे ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं अपन plug-in hybrid electric vehicle का. Okay, in case of hybrid electric vehicle ka, if regenerative braking concept is failure, okay, if the battery is not charging through the IC engine, the vehicle is not run. Is it right or not? vehicle run होने के chances नहीं है. So but in the case of any if the battery is not charging through the IC engine, then that time we can charge the battery by using the external supply. That's why most of the companies are going to design the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Clear? Okay, concept is clear, all of you? Okay, we will discuss the fuel cell in later.